I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Google Ads keyword research. First, you need to deeply understand your target audience and what they are searching for online. Start by brainstorming a list of core keywords directly related to your offerings. Think about the problems your product solves or the solutions it provides. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation for your advertising campaigns, ensuring you target the right people from the very beginning. Next, leverage powerful tools to expand your keyword list. The Google Keyword Planner is indispensable for discovering new keywords, checking their estimated search volume, and understanding competition levels. Don't forget to investigate what keywords your competitors are ranking for. This can uncover valuable opportunities. Focus on long-tail keywords, which are typically 3 or more words long, as they often have lower competition and can lead to higher conversion rates due to their specific intent. Understanding keyword match types is vital for campaign efficiency. Broad match modifiers offer a wider reach, while phrase match provides more control by including your exact phrase. For the most precise targeting, use exact match, which typically yields higher conversion rates. Crucially, implement negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, saving you ad spend. This strategic approach ensures your budget is spent on the most qualified leads, maximizing your return on investment. Finally, keyword research is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Continuously monitor your keyword performance, paying close attention to metrics like click-through rate and conversion rate. Regularly add new, high-performing keywords and pause any that are underperforming to optimize your budget. Adjust your bids based on what's working best, and always stay informed about evolving search trends. This iterative approach ensures your Google Ads campaigns remain effective and profitable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.